Let's try lychee for the first time. Not me, him. You wanna try lychee? So it's lychee season right now, which is why I would like to have him try some lychee for the first time. If you're going to do this with your bird, take out the seeds, and as always, do your own research before giving your bird any sort of new food. All right, are you ready? Oh, jeez. All right, we're not used to eating out of a plate, apparently. Okay. I don't know if he likes it or not. I'm kind of disappointed. You know, I think it's just too big of a piece. Maybe I'll make it smaller. Dang, this face is gonna be so sticky. That was more uneventful than originally anticipated. Feel free to recommend what fruit Louis should try next.